The skincare industry wants you to believe that younger skin comes in a bottle. 12 steps, 3 serums, a $200 moisturizer. I'm a dermatologist, and so you know, most of it is noise and some of it is actually making your skin worse. If you want to look younger consistently, here are 5 tips that are actually going to move the needle. Tip number 1, stop over cleansing your skin. Now here's something that nobody wants to hear, especially if you're a skincare user, an avid one. Your skin does not need to be cleansed, not in the way you think it does. Your skin is a living tissue. It is not a kitchen utensil or a dish. It does not need to be cleaned to be restored to its original working order. Your skin is in its original working order, meaning containing all the elements that it needs to keep itself going, intact, and functioning. So cleansing, essentially, especially when you're using very harsh approaches to cleanse the skin, like detergents or scrubs, exfoliants, and other physical abrasives, takes away those upper layers of the skin, making it essentially thinner, drier, more likely to bruise, and fundamentally older looking than it is. Take away those cleansing practices, let the skin keep what it makes, which is a phenomenal symphony of ingredients, and your skin will look younger for it. Now, the flip side of the skincare coin is moisturizing. Now, most people use moisturizers that are water-based, lotions, creams, even some of the balms out there. You got to turn the package around to look at the ingredient list. That being said, water-based products are not ideal moisturizers. The reason is they contain preservatives and emulsifiers, both of which are categories of ingredients that might damage the skin, make it more irritable, and make for a lesser product as far as the moisturizing value is concerned. Lotions and creams may feel good, but they don't make for very good moisturizers. What you need are oil-based moisturizers, as your upper layers of the skin are covered in oils. That's the language that they speak. So instead of layering multiple products, use one real product built from real fats that your skin can use. Shea butter, cocoa butter, argan oil. That's it. No water, no fillers, no unnecessary chemistry. It sits on the barrier instead of penetrating it. It allows the skin to recover right underneath that protective cover. And this allows fixing the problem rather than covering it up. This isn't about hype. It's about providing something that's structurally compatible with the skin and removing anything that isn't. And yes, this is exactly why I formulated Butter Oasis. Not to add another product to your routine, but to replace most of them. Tip number 2. Lift weights. Now, I know this is a skincare video, so bear with me. Resistance training increases collagen production. It improves circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin. It lowers baseline cortisol levels, and chronically elevated cortisol is one of the surest ways to age your face faster. There's also something called the myokine effect. When muscle contracts, it releases proteins which decrease inflammation throughout the body, including skin. No serum does this, no cream does this, no device does this. 3 sessions a week, that's it. Tip number 3, get some sun. Yes, a dermatologist just said that. Chronic excessive sun exposure ages skin, that's real. But zero sun isn't healthier either. Sunlight drives vitamin D production, which plays a role in skin cell turnover, immune regulation, and barrier function. You don't need to bake in the sun, but 15 to 20 minutes of morning sun before peak UV hours is not the enemy. Skin type certainly matters, and different people have varying tolerance levels to sun exposure, so find your ideal tolerance level by understanding how quickly it takes for you to get slightly burnt the next day, as in mild erythemal dose. Then get about 30 to 50% of that a few times a week, so you get nowhere near sunburn, certainly not anywhere near deep tan, and still get your benefits from sun exposure while mitigating the risk of sunburn. That being said, avoid extremes, because overexposure and underexposure certainly show up on the skin. Tip number 4, eat like your skin is listening. I'm a dermatologist, not a nutritionist, but after years of looking at skin all day, every day, patterns become obvious. You cannot out-serum a bad diet. People whose skin ages well tend to eat simply. Animal protein, vegetables, healthy fats, simple foods repeated consistently. Grass-finished beef, fatty fish, eggs, liver if they're willing, broccoli and rotating vegetables, olive oil, berries, fermented foods. Nothing fancy, nothing extreme. Here's why this matters. Chronic inflammation is one of the major drivers of aging skin, and diet is one of the strongest levers you have to control it. Sugar accelerates collagen breakdown through glycation. Ultra-processed foods amplify inflammation, and diets overloaded with industrial seed oils May skew fatty acid balance in a pro-inflammatory direction. You don't need a perfect diet, but if you remove the obvious problems, your skin improves predictably. Your face reflects your physiology. Number 5, sleep like it matters, because it does. During sleep, growth hormone rises, cortisol drops, skin repair accelerates, collagen synthesis increases, inflammatory waste is cleared. This is when your skin basically recovers. If you're underslept, you're aging faster than you need to. Chronic sleep deprivation leads to collagen breakdown, increases inflammation, damages your barrier. Every expensive night cream is virtually trying to imitate what sleep does naturally. None of them are going to succeed on their own. So get your sleep in order, non-negotiable. Younger looking skin isn't complicated. Stop stripping your barrier, build muscle, get some sun in moderation, eat real food, and sleep. Notice what's not on the list? No 12-step routine, no $200 serum, no supplement stack. The basics work. They've always worked. They're just not profitable to sell to you, which is why nobody leads with them. If this was helpful, share it with someone who's spending hundreds on products they don't need. Let me know in the comments section how that made you rethink your skincare. And also don't forget to like and subscribe for more no BS skincare advice. See you next time. God bless.